Welcome back. In this episode, we are going to learn about how to apply a style as a theme in an Android application or an activity. So in the previous part, we already learned about how to apply some styles to individual view components in an Android application. So here in this episode, I'm going to demonstrate how to apply some themes to an Android application or an Android activity. So a theme is same as styles, but instead of applying into individual view component, here we are going to apply the themes to an entire activity or an entire application. So you can apply the theme to an activity or application through the Android manifest.xml file. So open your Android manifest.xml file. If you want to apply the same theme for the entire activity in that application, then you can apply the theme on the application tag available in the manifest file. Or if you want to apply some individual themes to individual activities, then you have to specify that particular themes on the activity tag. Okay, so here in this application, you can see a theme tag is available on the application tag. That means this app theme is now available for the entire activity on this Android application. So here this is referred from the styles.xml file and with the unique ID name app theme. So we can check it out on the styles.xml file. So open styles.xml file. Actually there are two style tags available in it. First one with ID app base theme and second one with ID app theme. Actually this is applied to our application. Okay, so if you apply some theme to an activity, then all the view component available in that particular activity will get all the style attributes defined in that particular style tag. So I will show you with the complete example. You can learn the concepts very clear with the examples. So for working with theme, we have to create some view components on the main activity.xml file. So here I am going to add some view components. So here I am going to add a text view. Text view and specify is layouts, Android layout width. I make the width as match parent. Now specify the height, layout height. I make the height as wrap content. Okay, now we need some text. Android text equal to first text. Okay, now I just add a text view into this layout into the activity main.xml file. You can see it here with the text first text. So I need one more, so I again add another text view. We have to align the second one after the first one, so we need an ID here, Android ID plus ID txt1. Okay, so now I have to align the second one after the first. This is second text. Okay, and align it below the first one, Android layout below txt1. Okay, so on the graphical layout we got two text view here. Okay, now I am going to apply some theme to this entire activity. If you apply some theme to an entire activity, all the view components will get the styles. So here in this main activity there are two text views are available. So if I apply some themes to this activity or this application, the two text view will get the same styles. So go to the manifest file. Here already we apply some styles on the application tag. That means if there are a number of activities are available in this application, all the activities will get the same styles, same theme. Or if you need some separate theme for individual activities, then you have to specify this same tag inside each activity. Okay, so go to styles.xml file. Here we have already a style attribute is already defined here. Yeah, this is the current theme that is applied for this application. Okay, here I am going to specify some style. So use the item tag and name, specify the first I have to change the color of the text. So Android text color. We need some HTML color codes, so I already have one here. Put a hash symbol first and specify the color code. Okay, now I am going to make the font bold. So item name equal to Android text style, change it as bold. Okay, what is next? Okay, now I need all the text appear in capital letters. So item name equal to Android, what is that, Android text. Yeah, here it is, text all caps, and make it as true. Okay, here it is, text style. Yeah, this need API level 14, so we need to change the API level into 14. Okay, now it is solved. Yeah, that's enough. Now go to the main activity.xml file. Here you can see that now I apply the style as a theme. So this activity contains two view components, two text view. The two text view will get the same style. So that is called a theme. If you apply theme to an activity or an application, all the view components available in all the activities will get the same theme. Suppose here on style I add one more item here, item with the name. Suppose I add another style attribute here, Android hint with some text. Enter any message. Okay, so now in this style tag a lot of items are available with some style attribute, but the last one you can see that is Android hint. Actually our activity contains two text views. Actually the text views not support hint. So what happens when we apply it as a theme? The text view simply ignore the item which is not compatible with it. So all these items except the last one are compatible with text view. So when we compile the source code, when build the project, the text view will simply ignore the last one. Okay, so go to main activity.xml file. There is no hint because the text view does not support the hint attribute. So now I am going to add another view component that support the hint. Text hint is simply a text field, edit text. So I just simply add an edit text into this activity. You can see that here I am not provide any hint, but when I drag an edit text into this layout, we got a hint automatically because the hint is applied as a theme for this layout. So if I add one more, we got the same hint here. This is the effect of a theme in an Android application. So if you need to get some same style for all the view components in an Android activity, then you can apply it as a theme. instead of apply it as a style into individual view components. I hope you enjoy this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.